Transporting bicycles safely should be simple, secure, and stress-free, whether heading to trails, races, or weekend getaways. The best bike carrier for car options combines sturdy construction, easy mounting, vehicle compatibility, and reliable protection for bikes during every journey. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Yakima DoubleDown Bike Carrier for Car. The Yakima DoubleDown Bike Carrier is a robust solution for transporting up to 4 bicycles, making it ideal for families or avid cyclists with multiple bikes. Designed to accommodate road, mountain, and hybrid bikes, this carrier ensures stability and protection during transit, though e-bikes are not compatible. For non-standard frames such as step-through, BMX, or kids' bikes, the tube top accessory, sold separately, is required to ensure proper support. One of the standout features is the convenient tilting mechanism, which allows easy access to your vehicle's rear without unloading the bikes. The carrier's compatibility with both 1.25-inch and 2-inch hitches ensures versatility across a wide range of vehicles, from cars and SUVs to trucks and trailers. Constructed from heavy-duty materials, the Yakima DoubleDown offers long-lasting durability and reliable performance on all types of roads. Security-conscious users can enhance protection with the optional deadlock system, adding peace of mind when leaving bikes unattended. Overall, this carrier balances capacity, convenience, and strength, making it a top choice for anyone needing a versatile, reliable, and secure bike transport solution for multiple bicycles. Number 2. Young 200 Pounds Bike Carrier. The Young 200 Pounds Bike Carrier is a sturdy hitch rock designed to transport 2 bicycles safely and securely. Built for both cars and SUVs, it features soft, padded hooks that prevent scratches and swaying, while the hitch tightener ensures a wobble-free connection to your 2-inch receiver. Nighttime safety is enhanced with the integrated rear reflector, providing extra visibility during evening drives. Designed for convenience, the rack folds compactly when not in use and includes a quick-release tilt mechanism, allowing full access to your trunk without removing bikes or the carrier. It supports a total capacity of 200 pounds, accommodating 2 standard bikes with ease, and the universal tire holders and straps are compatible with mountain, road, and hybrid bikes, including those with fat tires up to 5 inches wide. Installation is straightforward, with most components pre-assembled, letting users mount the rack quickly and with minimal tools. Number 3. The TANX 160 Pounds Bike Carrier for Car. The TANX 160 Pounds Bike Carrier offers a versatile, heavy-duty platform rack solution for safely transporting 2 bicycles on a 2-inch hitch. Compatible with SUVs, trucks, sedans, and RVs, it supports a wide range of bicycles, including road, mountain, fat tire, and electric bikes, up to 5 inches wide. Its foldable design allows for compact storage during off-season months, while the tilting feature provides unobstructed access to your trunk or tailgate without unloading bikes. Built from reinforced alloy steel, the carrier incorporates an anti-wobble system and locking hitch pin to ensure a steady, quiet ride, even on rough roads. Adjustable padded cradles accommodate bikes up to 59 inches long, protecting frames from scratches, while holding tires securely in place. Quick lock straps and a positive latch system ensure each bike remains stable and scratch-free during transit. The TANX rack balances heavy-duty construction with user-friendly operation, making it suitable for weekend warriors, long-distance cyclists, and e-bike users alike. Number 4. Season Guard Bike Carrier for Car. The Season Guard Bike Carrier is a universal platform rack designed for 2 bikes, compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including Honda CR-V, Toyota Highlander, Jeep Wrangler, and Tesla models with 2-inch receivers. Constructed with reinforced aluminum and steel, it supports standard, fat tire, mountain, and electric bikes while maintaining stability during transport. Its foldable and tilt-away design allows for easy access to the rear of the vehicle without removing bikes, making it convenient for daily use or long trips. Security features include an anti-sway bar, twist-lock frame clamp, and integrated anti-wobble system, keeping bikes stable and minimizing movement on rough roads. The dual tray platform distributes weight evenly, supporting both vertical and horizontal loading positions and ensuring a balanced ride. This carrier is particularly suitable for e-bike and mountain bike enthusiasts who require a sturdy, dependable solution for long-distance transport. Whether hauling bikes to weekend adventures or family outings, the Season Guard bike carrier combines versatility, durability. Number 5. Young Tilting Bike Carrier for Car. The Young Tilting Bike Carrier is engineered for secure transport of 2 bicycles on vehicles with a 2-inch hitch receiver. Its anti-fall-off 360-degree swirl design, patent wheel cradles, and anti-wobble structure ensure that bikes, including e-bikes, remain stable without swaying or contact with the vehicle. Supporting up to 200 pounds total, the rack easily accommodates 2 bikes with wide tires up to 5 inches. The movable cradles adapt to different bike lengths, allowing compatibility with standard, fat tire, mountain, road, and even kids' bikes. Convenience is a priority, with a folding mechanism for compact storage and a handle to lift the rack when not in use. Most parts arrive pre-assembled, making installation simple and quick, while the sturdy M16 anti-wobble bolt ensures stability during transit. A separate hitch lock can enhance security if needed. With its combination of adaptability, strength, and user-friendly design. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.